Hi, I'm Thomas Nyman, the MajorTim.space 2022 to 2023 STEM for Him Young Ambassador, and today I will be unboxing the LEGO Jurassic World Dominion Atrociraptor Dinosaur. So this costs between £15.99 and £18, and the suggested age rating is 6+, and it includes a bike and 2 figures, a dinosaur and a building. So open it up. If you do use scissors to get this open, always use an adult to help because you don't want to hurt yourself. So, it looks like the dinosaur comes built, but he seems to have a slight, I think he's missing a body part actually. So there's one pack here. Oh good, there's an instruction booklet. And then there's another pack. And then there's a piece which is loose. I don't know if that's supposed to be loose, but it is. So we'll put this here. So, let's open the instructions. Okay, so it says, first step is to assemble your man. So, it says, open the first pack here. So the first pack has a number 1 on it, and then just open that up. Again, here you might need more scissors. If you do, always use an adult to help. So, I'm just going to tip this out here. And put this down here. So then, it says, find the body, and the hair, and the head, and the legs. And assemble them. The head seems to have 2 sides, so I'm just going to put it on the happy side, just it's a lot nicer, and then the hair covers the other side. You can have whichever side you want to. Oh yes, and then here it says the dinosaur has a part of its mouth that we haven't put on. Okay, so inside here there's a bunch of small parts, and there are duplicates of some of the parts. So there is a duplicate of the bottom of the dinosaur's mouth. So here we go. So be careful with these, you don't want to lose them. I'm going to keep these over here. So I'm going to clip this on. That was actually quite fiddly. To be honest, I've got a 5-year-old brother, and I don't know if he'll be able to do that, even when he turns 6. But you know. So we've got our dinosaur and we've got our man, and we'll set them to the side here. Okay, next step. It says to build the bike. So you've got your black part, and you've got, it says you need 2 of these parts. Again, there are small parts in here. Let's take some of them. 1, 2. Okay. So then you clip them on here. Like that. And you get the red part. And you attach that onto here. So you have that. Then you get the handlebars, which are probably in here. Yes, they are. And then you put that here. This is actually quite cool. And then you get one of these. Put it there for the headlight. Okay. Then we need to add the wheels. So we get one of these, and then another one. And you clip these into here, like this, to form the wheels. And then pop that on there. on the box there seems to be 2 men, but in the actual set there doesn't seem to be 2 men. Oh yeah, look, there's another one in pack 2. Getting ahead of ourselves here a bit. Okay, looks quite cool on that. Okay, so now we have our motorbike. If you've done it correctly, it should look like this. Okay. Now let's see what we've got. Okay, so I'll put the motorbike beside here for our finished things. So now it seems like we're gonna make the baby dinosaur hut or something like that. So I have finished this set, and I think it was good, but I think I would change the rating to probably 8+, maybe 7+. I enjoyed building it, and I think it was fun. So I've got a few different things. So I've got this part. All done. And then I've got this cage here. And I've got the big dinosaur. He's got like a mouth that can open and everything. And then I've got the bike. And I've got the 2 men. And we've got the 2 baby dinosaurs. So I've completed this set. It took me about half an hour. I am 12 though, so it might, depending on the age, it'll take longer or shorter. So I think this is, I think I probably wouldn't spend this much money on a Lego set, because I'm not into Lego that much, but I think it's a good price if you're going to give it as a gift to somebody. I think that it was fun to build. I enjoyed building it, and I think anyone 7+ would. 6-year-old might find it a bit hard, but yeah. So then this can spin. This let you spin this thing, and then there's all the different things. So yeah, I had fun building this. So I would recommend this for 7+, 8+, depending on how capable they are. And I think also on here you can see the dinosaur. This is like loose, I think, on purpose, because the dinosaur is supposed to come like break it off. Although I don't really get that, because why couldn't he just walk through like a nice person? He fits. But anyway. So yeah, this is really fun.